how's it going? Is what?
You can buy everything for $50.
Everything at the sale?
Yeah.
You got it all.
I like that.
Or afternoon, I should say.
That is really
We
nice.
forgot to, we should have gotten a year on it.
Yeah.
We didn't, yeah. We got
Is
that
that
in
Jenny?
Tennessee also.
I like that.
Someone else.
Something like
Those
that.
are decent.
Thank you very
Little
much.
insulators.
That,
No, no, we're
remember that
talking
house we
about
went
it. It's
into?
empty. It's a
Yeah.
good time.
They have
So
one of
we're
those.
like, okay.
Oh, really?
It's a full set. Nicole and Kevin and all them.
But, you know, I mean, it's everything.
Okay.
What?
The sign.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
That's good.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
How's your sale going today?
Very well.
Good. How much you selling this little cooktop for?
$15.
15?
That's one of those, some of
That's
the,
an induction, and then the grill goes with it.
You can just put like a pot on it, right?
Yeah.
And just, okay.
Yeah, and
just sold
you can adjust the temperature and the length of time,
It's kind of nice.
place.
It's handy.
and this, and you know, pots work on that too. But I bought this at the same time. I was taking the timeshare, like if I want to cook a
Okay.
steak.
I was thinking I could put it on my coffee table and cook some macaroni while I'm watching TV.
Yeah, you can do that.
Be a good idea, right?
And the
Yeah.
instructions are
Okay, and I think I'll take it for $15. I think
Okay.
that's pretty neat. You guys had a lot of people come to your sale?
quite a few.
Okay, cool. Here's $15.
Okay.
Very
And
cool.
the instructions are right there.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Okay.
Morning. How are you?
Well,
Oh, Dad,
Yeah.
look, we have it.
Oh, from Despicable Me?
Yeah.
It's on fire.
Is this a Kindle?
No, it's an Amazon Fire tablet. Do you know if this still works?
yeah, that was with the house.
Okay.
The house is maybe 2 years old.
And you got a Nest instead or something?
Yeah, we got an
Oh,
Ecobee.
that's
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
pretty cool.
How much?
Look.
How neat. Very cute. How much is this?
How much do you want for that one?
$5.
$5?
Do 5 on it.
Isn't that cute?
And then look now, look who it is.
Oh, it's Granny
Yeah.
and Laura. Did you guys make that? Is that?
No, my dad ended up gifting that to our daughter, and she just
Hmm.
never played it. And I thought
That's
it was
cool.
the coolest thing.
Would you do 3 on it?
Yeah, I'll do 3.
Okay.
We
what
everything
is it?
works on it.
Thermostat.
We actually had 2. We sold 1.
Oh,
but
wait,
when we
isn't
got
ours
solar
broken?
panels.
3.
They upgraded it to.
They gave you like a smart
They
one.
gave us, yeah.
What do you think? 50 cents?
So that one there is probably before we took it out, maybe.
She has $1 though. Yeah.
$1. No,
She has
I'm just
$1. Do you have change for $1?
kidding. Do we have 50 cents?
I'll go check.
My wallet.
Face cleansing scrubber. It's like an Amazon thing. Once holidays. Italy. See, it doesn't have the wine bottle. Or Anna, you can find something else for 50 cents. I guess so. Jumbo playing cards.
Welcome.
Got it? Okay, thank you guys. This is a little GoPro. It's a GoPro?
Oh, okay.
Like a little camera? Hmm.
fine. Well, that's what I thought. Yeah, that's what made to it that late. I thought it was gonna get warmer, but it hasn't.
That's cool. It's the Kool-Aid man.
Oh, that's what I was sitting there looking at, trying to figure out what it was.
$4? I'll take it. That's cool. Get some money out. Just took off my my jacket. Now I need to put it back on.
I picked the shading spot so I wouldn't be in the sun.
Now you're regretting that.
I'm wishing I was in the sun.
It's not really out though, is the problem.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is this a garage sale? The field sale. Gotcha. Is this like a Keurig thing? Okay. Oh, you're good. Christmas stuff. Look who you got. What's his name?
Door.
Oh, he's a Build-A-Bear. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
Hey, don't look there.
Is he really a Build-A-Bear, or is that just the shoes are a Build-A-Bear? He's a Build-A-Bear. That's cool. I've never seen that before.
I've seen Bob.
You never seen that? Who's that guy? What's his name? The tall guy.
I don't know.
Stewart. Why are you taking him? Swipe or no swipey? Here's some screws and stuff.
Wait, if this guy was named Bob, it would match Bob Bananas, but he would need a banana.
True. That is true. How much is that? Taking him right from under me?
Oh, here, you can have it.
We can put him back. No, put him back in where we got him.
Oh, you're not buying?
No. These little egg holders.
Ooh, what's this thing Mitch used?
That's like a steamer to steam your vegetables. $1 pants. What's the size on them? $40, $34. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yep. How much is that? Okay. Cool. Yeah, when I can get her out of bed.
Yeah, it's early to rise.
She's not always on board with it. Yeah, I think so.
Sometimes my brother does.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we alternate.
Oh, Dad, Eli and Hans said that they both want to check.
Oh, they want us to go pick them up? Yeah, I only bring one early, and then I go pick up the rest.
Pretty smart.
Whoa, is this the fun?
Then we only have one cranky
Wait,
kid.
when's Mom's birthday?
July 30. She already has one of those. That's pretty cool.
Oh, is this thing brand new?
Scarves, $1.
Lightly used, not very often.
Lightly used.
Oh.
Just to add it to point out something we bought and thought you would use, and you know,
I think she may have used it once.
takes a little.
This guy's kind of cool. Old Salty. I could buy some pants, I guess. These are cool.
If you start with a now, I saw this. If you start with a now, you can have this. No, it's this would be good for mom.
Those are kind of cool.
Oh, I gave Eli this squirrel.
What?
Ew.
Started as a joke at Christmas, and then siblings flied, and now it's every year. And
It escalated?
yeah. Oh my gosh.
That's funny. Oh, is this a weed whacker?
Yep.
Does it work?
It does. Probably needs some more string. I've got 20 on it.
Does it use normal batteries from Ryobi or just this?
It uses the 40 volts.
I don't think I have any of those. This one work?
Yeah, it just hasn't been charged in a really long time. So
Yeah.
I had a charger for it, but the charger died. But they still make
Yeah, I
it.
have no way to charge it or anything.
Ooh, look at this thing. Back in the olden days.
Bellows.
That's all hair dryer.
Yeah. That is actually pretty cool.
That would take a long time.
Yeah. She believes you, of course.
Well, I mean, there's nothing saying you couldn't use it.
You could.
But yes, it would take a very long time.
Whoa, what's this?
That is a spatula. You like spatulas?
Dad, for your grill.
It would work for my grill.
Well, look how big it is.
Yeah, it's huge.
For the world's biggest burger or the world's smallest pizza.
Exactly, yeah.
Whichever you prefer.
If your birthday was coming up instead of mom's, I would have got that for you and not told you.
1, 2, 3, 4. I might buy some pants. Why not? 2, 3, 4.
But it says $5. I would if it wasn't $5.
Magnolia table. Chip and Joanna Gaines. I'm buying a couple
If you
pairs
want
of
the
pants.
median, what would you
There you
want
go.
to offer on that?
2.
Should we do 2?
Okay. I'll do that. 7. I got 4 pairs of pants and then this Mr. Old Salty. Do you have Old Peppery? All right, cool. Thank you guys. Yep, you too. Whoa. Hey, how's it going? Is what?
You can buy everything.
Everything at the sale? Yeah. Interesting. You guys are ready to go in, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know if I need everything is the problem. It's a good offer though. Do you know, so how much would just the jacket be?
35.
Just the jacket's 35. Okay, so that's where all the value is. Are you guys running the sale?
Yeah.
Okay. This is kind of cool. Yeah, camping, that's a good point. Would be good for camping. Reebok. These ones are nice. Any chance you'd do 30 for the jacket and the shoes?
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What are you guys trying to save up for?
We're just trying to, because we're moving, so we're going to get rid of a lot of stuff.
Okay. Where are you headed?
Just like a neighborhood nearby.
Okay, cool. Well, good luck on the move, guys.
Yeah.
Hopefully someone comes and takes your offer to buy everything. You should still say 50 and maybe you'll get even extra money. Hey guys, Dave the NC Picker here. Thank you so much for coming yard sailing with me. I definitely think the 2 coolest finds I got at these yard sales is number 1, this Kool-Aid Clock. This thing, I looked it up, it sells used for like $30. Brand new like this, over $50. I honestly am probably going to keep it though, because I really like it. So I'm probably going to hang it up in my garage somewhere. It's just really cool. The Kool-Aid Man and all that. Sorry about the reflections, but that's a really awesome find. I paid $4 for that. And then that jacket. Now, would you have bought the whole yard sale out? It was late in the day, my van was pretty full, and I couldn't really justify buying a bunch of clothes and, you know, things I didn't want. So even though it was a great offer, $50 for the whole sale or $35 for the jacket, all I really wanted was the jacket. And this is a really cool jacket. This is a starter 49ers jacket. It totally reminds me of like the 90s. It does have some staining up in the neck here. I put it through the washer twice and it's still there, so I guess that's just kind of permanent staining. I mean, you can't really see it when you're wearing it, but... And I did pay $30 for it. I'm not like a 49ers fan or anything, but I did think it was awesome, so I grabbed it. I have talked to a couple of my friends who flip clothes, and they say that's like a $150 to a $200 jacket. So I do think it can be a really profitable buy. I just have to list it, and, you know, that's my problem with clothes. I never list them. And I got that little reversible Grandma Wolf Little Red Riding Hood thing, 3-in-1. It sold for $15, and... The sale with the jeans and the pepper shaker, I basically wasted a bunch of money because none of that's really worth anything. But, you know, sometimes you don't do well, sometimes you do. I can probably sell the jeans for $8 a pair, but I probably won't because I never list jeans. I've just got them all sitting in a big bucket full of clothes. And then I got the New Wave Heat Top, which I think will sell for like $40 plus shipping, maybe a little more. The comps are kind of all over the place. I've seen some sell for $40, some for $35, and then some for $60. So it's kind of everywhere. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you would have bought out the yard sale. Thank you so much for watching. And make sure you check out the last video I released because it's pretty funny. Me and Paul, the Philly Flipper, go out together, and we almost end up fighting.